Say hello. Where are we?
IKEA
In IKEA. IKEA where?
in Ballymun, Dublin. And this chair here is a bit too low.
Because you're tall, boy.
Yeah, not like this one.
That better?
What about this one? For this comfy thing.
Oh, look, the mirror is only 60 euro.
Oh yeah, she could get them candles that are hidden inside.
Yeah, let's go.
Who wants to have some dinner? What city is that? Oh, that's Dublin. Off from the window.
You want to sit there? Is the is the sofa comfort, Greg? Is the sofa comfort?
Well, how much the price? Oh no, it's 1,600 euro.
Yeah.
I see so many of these secured, preventing future tip over accidents. I think this is
Stockholm collection.
not 1,000 euros. Workers in the store.
Kids
You
believe.
bring it back. We'll buy it back.
This is a nice one. Here, look. Try the sofa. Hey, good.
I don't see the price of it.
The sofa. There. 490.
490 euro.
Yeah.
They're long. By the way. Oh, Bailey's toy.
Bailey's Joes.
Yeah, here.
That's Mark.
Look at these ancient books. Look. Bubble Peron.
Oh, it's a pear, is it?
Chick Bubble Peron.
Movie night. Movie night 776. Come on. In your bedroom?
Modernist.
That's very small bed.
That could fit me and
Isn't it?
me. the statue.
What
That
else?
doesn't have to be a Swedish name for the color. Probably just
Easy
a red
chair.
gray.
You can try this one here. Oh, this is a rocking chair, is it?
Yeah, rocking chair.
Is it good? It's 120.
It's something that you could have.
Is it rocking? Good. And is the sofa comfort? Hmm?
Maybe. Look, I think this is a sofa bed.
Oh yeah, that's a sofa bed. You can actually
Do
pull
you
it.
think everything here is a sofa bed?
Maybe, yeah, that one as well. Look. Sofa bed. That's another sofa bed as well. Hmm? Oh yeah. You can hide in there. No? You can hide in there. Do you still fit there? Do you want to go there? Do you still fit there?
Let me check. Yeah. Me a bit.
Hey.
Let's say that.
It still fit you.
Oh yeah. We have a library in our home. Oh, Harry Foster. What is that book? Is that the entire dictionary?
Okay. Oh look, it's for the log, for the wood. Hey, you want to try the bed? Yeah. Lay down on the bed there. Sit down. Is it soft? Seems like very soft, is it?
Yeah. This is not for the normal. It's for IKEA family. It's $9.60.
There's another sofa bed.
Getting the best of living.
Oh, mommy, want to sit here? Very soft.
Ah, I just want to get the best of living.
Can you play the YouTube here? Like the light though.
Look. Press. Look. Has some Easter eggs in it.
Yeah, I suppose you can put the Easter egg. Careful.
Nothing. I think we got no Easter eggs in here.
Where you want to find the Easter egg?
Store
What movie is that? No?
I bet there's probably music in it.
How much is the watch? The clock?
440.
€40. Oh look, it has the color.
Do you want a colorful one?
Look, they have different
They
patterns.
have cute animals here.
Oh, look, this one here. What's that?
This is the Christmas section.
Is that the Christmas coffee?
That's of milk chocolate Santa.
Oh. What's that? Toilet, is it?
This is supposed to be the toilet.
Is the clothes for sale as well?
Look, there's shoes inside here. An ironing board table. Wow.
Ciao, ciao.
Look, you could have a hidden
Washing machine. What is this here? Nothing.
Nothing.
Are they having a party here? Look. The monkey and the panda. Are they having a party? Greg. 129. The table and the chair, is it? Must be the table and the chair. Oh, look, this is the Christmas one. How much is this chairs? 175.
Wow.
What do they have?
More
Is this all freezers, is it? Or is it fridge freezer? Oh,
It's a
integrate fridge. Oh, this is fridge. Oh, this is
They
nice.
got more tip over accidents. More cabinets.
That is not a table. Oh, look at
This mom's kitchen.
at this house. Oh, look at this one here. Look.
Security.
Put it in here.